Hello everyone, my name's Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you have been asking for AI security engineer roadmap. Let's do it. In today's video, I'll talk about a few things. What is AI security engineering? Why is it gaining a lot of significance? Then I'll walk you through the detailed roadmap, how you can get placed into this role, and finally, how you can get certified. We will see all of this in today's video. This is going to be very insightful. I'll try to keep it short and informative. So just try to watch it till the end. And yeah, all the links for this video will be in the description and also in the pinned comment. Let's get started. First of all, why is AI security engineering gaining a lot of significance? Very simple. There are two main reasons. One is vibe coding. Today, developers' landscape has changed significantly. Most of the developers vibe code with AI tools. It can be AI assistants, AI agents, AI copilots. This is good. Vibe coding can enhance developers' productivity. But on the other side, it can also introduce security issues in the product. And this is exactly what we are seeing in the last few months. Vibe coding is introducing a lot of security issues. And the other reason, AI is not only helping developers, but hackers are also making use of AI to introduce new kind of exploits or new kind of vulnerabilities. For example, prompt injection. Just like the traditional SQL injection, now hackers are using prompt injection to exploit the AI assistants, jailbreaking the large language models, data poisoning, introducing some vulnerabilities into the data on which the large language models are trained, model manipulation, AI supply chain security attacks, and most importantly, RAG exploitation. Now, if you are thinking these are future issues, let me tell you, these are the issues that we are living with right now. So, that is the reason why the demand for professionals who understand security or to understand how to secure AI systems is significantly increasing. And that is the reason why we will see more opportunities for AI security engineers in the future. Cool. Now I know the obvious question, how can someone learn AI security? Not theoretically, but practically, so that they can get into AI security engineer roles and also maybe get certified. Let me introduce you to a platform that can help you with detailed roadmap and that can also help you with getting certified. I'm talking about TryHackMe. On this channel, I mentioned about TryHackMe in the past as well when we were talking about cybersecurity. To be honest, anything around security, they are the best platform out there. And at the moment, if you're learning AI security, they also have 30% off on learning as well as on the certification. I'll share the link in the description, which will take you to this page. Let me quickly walk you through the roadmap. So, this is a 5 step roadmap. That is all what you need to learn. Starting with AI fundamentals, they have a toggle. Like if you go to, let's say, from the classic view, if you switch to the other one, you can see the roadmap in detail. So in the AI fundamentals, you will start with learning basic AI ML security threats. What are different types of AI security threats? Then you need to learn about AI models and data. What are the different types of AI models? And then prompt engineering. Of course, if you want to understand about prompt injection, you need to know prompt engineering. What are secure ways to prompt and what are the different ways of prompt engineering? Then the mystery chest, AI forensics, and containment. So basically, this is a way how you can prevent ransomware attacks using AI. So there are a lot of ransomware attacks. If you learn about containment, you will know how you can prevent ransomware attacks using AI. And let's say if you want to understand about any of these things in detail, you don't have to go anywhere. Like on a specific topic, let's say you start from AI ML security threats. Obviously, this is the starting point. You just have to click on this. You will find the video tutorials. You will find the content that you need to learn. On top of that, if you just click on join room, you can also learn the same thing practically. So basically, you have both the theoretical content as well as the practical content. So this will be your module 1, AI fundamentals. Then your module 2, secure AI systems. Here you will understand how to secure the AI systems, what is LLM security, what is AI threat modeling. Again, you will learn about AI systems in detail, like how AI systems are built, how AI systems are maintained, and what can be security issues with the AI systems at the production level. Of course, AI threat modeling assessment. So this will be your assessment to just test your understanding of module 2. Again, the same thing. You can start with securing AI systems. Here you will find the theory, you will find video content, and you will also have a practical room, which is your lab session. Then module 3, prompt security. You learned about prompt engineering in module 1. Now in module 3, you will learn how to secure prompts, how to ensure there is no prompt injection. So you will start with prompt injection. Then you will learn about jailbreaking, which has become very common, jailbreaking large language models. Recently, we have even seen the same issue with Fable 5. That's one of the reasons why Fable 5 was blocked. Then prompt defense. Also, you will learn about White Rabbit. Then module 4, AI supply chain security. If you come from DevSecOps background, I'm sure you know about supply chain security attacks. Now they have also increased with AI, and we call them AI supply chain security. So in module 4, you will learn understanding what exactly is AI supply chain. You know about traditional supply chain attacks, you will learn about AI supply chain. Then how to secure these AI supply chain attacks. Also, you will learn about the payload and checkpoint related security issues. Finally, the module 5, data poisoning. You know about LLM poisoning, data poisoning. This is also gaining a lot of significance through which hackers can introduce security attacks at the base level, not even at the level of users, not even at the level of applications in production, but at the base level where LLMs are trained on data. So here you will learn about RAG security fundamentals, data poisoning in RAG systems, and then you will learn about sensitive information disclosure. Let's say you are dealing with some sensitive information, how you can disclose those things without running into any security issues. So by learning these 5 modules, you will be able to clear AI security related job roles. If you want to test your understanding, let's say you want to get certified, once you complete these things, you will see an option where you can take the certification as part of the same roadmap. Like once you enroll to this course, you will have option to complete all the video-based tutorials, all the lab-based tutorials. And once you are done with this, you can get certified as AI1 security engineer. They also have some cool features like, let's say you can spend 4 hours a day by when you can complete this journey, or maybe if you can spend 5 hours a day. So you can also calculate according to your schedule. You also have a leaderboard, so you can see how you're doing while learning with others. So this is the leaderboard that you have. You also have different lab sessions that I already explained, which will be part of your roadmap. Perfect. So you asked for AI security engineer roadmap, and this is the best one that I could find. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. Once again, the link to get 30% offer is in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you have any questions on this, do let me know in the comment section. See you all in the next video. Take care.